Today I'm going to teach you how to create spaces and folders in ClickUp. This is essential for organizing your projects and keeping your workspace structured, especially when you're managing multiple teams or different types of work. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace if you have multiple accounts set up. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Look over to the left side panel and click on Spaces. This is where all your existing spaces are listed, and it's also where we'll create a new one. Spaces in ClickUp act as high-level containers for organizing related projects, so they're perfect for separating departments, clients, or major initiatives. Next to the word Spaces, you'll notice a small plus icon. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the interface where you can create your new space. It's a straightforward process, but taking the time to set it up properly will save you headaches down the road. Now you'll see fields where you can customize your new space. Start by selecting an icon that represents this space visually. Then enter a name that clearly identifies what this space is for. Whether it's for marketing, sales, or a personal project, make the name descriptive so everyone on your team knows what belongs there. Below that, you'll have the option to input a description. This step is optional, but it's helpful if you want to add more context about what the space will be used for or any guidelines your team should follow. Once you're satisfied with the details, click Continue. At this point, ClickUp will ask you to define your workflow. You'll see several options, but for this tutorial, we're going to keep it simple. Select Starter and then click Create Space. This sets up a basic workflow that you can always customize later as your needs evolve. Now be patient for a moment while your new space loads. ClickUp is generating the structure behind the scenes, so give it a few seconds to finish processing. Once your new space loads, you'll see it appear in your sidebar. Now it's time to add a folder to keep things even more organized. Click the plus icon next to your new space, and from the menu that appears, select Folder. Folders are useful for grouping related lists or tasks within a space, adding another layer of organization. You'll be prompted to input a name for your folder. Choose something that clearly represents the group of tasks or projects it will contain. Just like before, you can also add a description if you want, but it's optional. Descriptions can be helpful for providing additional details about what should go in this folder. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click Create. Your new folder will appear inside your space, ready to be filled with lists and tasks. And that's it. You've successfully created both a space and a folder in ClickUp. This structure will help you keep your work organized and easy to navigate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.